Hey guys, Rob with Ride Philippines here. So we're going to do another quick video today, and this is going to be basically showing the changes in the Chigee firmware for beta version 2.0.5. So I'll go in and show you real quick. We'll go to the About page, and you can see I've updated to 2.0.5 here. I have the SR-1 ready to power on benchtop power. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn on the Chigee SR-1. It lights up. Now we'll go into Settings, Features, BSD. I'll switch to mmWave radar, and then I'll select Pair, acknowledge the risk, and it's already doing the wheel up here. Let's see. Okay, now it's connecting. And we're connected. So let's see what's different here. Everything pretty much looks the same as 1.8.8, except right here we now have sensitivity configuration settings. So we can select standard and we get the LED lights, sensitive, or more sensitive. So I'll definitely be playing around with this on the bike after I get it installed and kind of seeing how the settings impact the performance. Really in settings, that's about it. We'll go back to the home page, and now the next screen that you pick up, we go here, and now in your screen sequence here, data, lean angle, and now you have the radar view. So underway, you'll have your targets displayed here on the radar view screen, along with your speed and your heading. You can also quickly go to BSD settings here off of this screen. I didn't really take a look at the help here. Display rear camera. Yeah, so in a previous video I kind of talked about this feature. Wasn't a fan of it switching on lane change assist. I really would prefer just camera view working on rear collision warning, but it looks like that's the way it works based on the help screen. So some stuff to see there. I'll have to see what information is available through the help screen. Anyway, there we go. Firmware 2.0.5 and the enhancements for the Chigee SR-1 mmWave radar, blind spot detector, and lane change assist product.